How to block someone on Facebook without waiting for 48 hours. For that, all you have to do is open up your Facebook, and then on the upper right corner you will have that 3-bar icon. Tap on that 3-bar and then go for settings, and under settings you will have blocking option under audience and visibility. Tap on blocking, and here you will have a person that you have blocked, so tap on unblock. So after unblocking, if you want to block that person again, then it will tell you to wait for 48 hours. So now what you have to do is on the search bar, which is on the upper right corner, tap on the search and then search for the person that you want to block. And after searching, on the right corner you will have 3 dots. Tap on that 3 dots icon, and after that here you will have report profile option. Tap on report profile, and before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And here select the option which is harassment or bullying, and after that you will find a block option, and then you can block that person. So that's it guys, that's how you block someone on Facebook without waiting for 48 hours. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.